A relying party acting as a verifier can request the user to present certain attributes from an attestation implemented as a verifiable credential in their wallet instance. The relationship between the relying party and the relying party instance is very similar to the relationship between the user and their wallet instance. In the following, a verification challenge between a wallet instance and a relying party instance, the friendly verifier, will be demonstrated and the different trust relationships will be explained. Step 1. According to a defined and registered credential schema of the PDA1 and the PID, the friendly verifier requests a combined presentation of identity data and the PDA1 from the EUDI Wallet instance via a QR code. Step 2. The citizen scans the request using their valid EUDI Wallet instance. The wallet instance authenticates the friendly verifier, ensuring the user of the relying party's identity. Step 3. The citizen reviews the request and gives consent. During issuance, the PDA1 provider embeds a disclosure policy in the attestation. The wallet instance evaluates the disclosure policy and informs the user of the outcome. The user then approves the presentation of the requested attributes or selectively discloses some of them based on the evaluation outcome. Step 4. The user presents the requested data to the verifier. After the wallet instance presents the selected attributes from the PDA1 and the PID to the friendly verifier by sending a response to the request, the friendly verifier validates the response. Trust is established by the friendly verifier verifying the electronic signature or seal of the attestation. This ensures that the attestation received is issued by an authentic provider and has not been altered. Additionally, it is verified that the attestation provider has not revoked the attestation and that it was issued to the same wallet instance that provided it to the friendly verifier. The friendly verifier also verifies that the person presenting the credential is the user, that means the holder of the credential. Furthermore, the wallet instance and the wallet provider are authenticated, and the friendly verifier verifies that the wallet provider has not suspended or revoked the wallet instance.